Today we are discussing leave to defend in rent cases and the basic legal principles every practitioner must understand. Leave to defend simply means the court's permission for the tenant to present a defense. Without this permission, the tenant cannot contest the eviction proceedings. The court grants leave to defend only when the tenant presents solid, specific, and credible facts. General statements or unsupported claims are not enough. If the objections are general, vague, or irrelevant, the court will reject the application for leave to defend. Clear and substantial grounds are essential. As per the Supreme Court's principle, the tenant must raise a substantial question of law or fact. Without a substantial question, leave cannot be granted. When strong grounds are presented, the case proceeds to a full trial. But if the grounds are weak, the court may pass a summary eviction order without going to trial. For more legal insights, explanations, and professional guidance, make sure to subscribe. This is Tayyab Malik, Advocate. Thank you.